Hey all, good morning. Today is the 7th of June 2026. A lot of you had requested and demanded a video on the front armrest which I have installed on my car, and this video is all about that. I wanted to give a detailed overview of that. I had made the introductory video long ago. I think I can put that in the I button somewhere here. Initially when I got it installed, you can watch it, but this time it's going to be a little longer because of the demand. So this is the steering wheel and dashboard view from here, and this is the front armrest which I have got installed. You can see the fit and finish of it. There is a leatherette finish to it with the red stitching, which looks sportier and looks actually neat. It's actually fitted through the screws somewhere here, and it's easy for the drivers and the pillion and the passenger who is sitting right next to the driver. For them, it's going to be the perfect accessory you can have installed in your car, especially Citroen cars. The position here is not right adjusted to your perspective, but for me, I can bring it much closer. See, this comes until here. So if I am sitting in this position and trying to operate the car, let me show you this part. You can see that even if you're driving the car, my hand is easily rested, the elbow is easily rested on the armrest, making me comfortable to place my hand while I'm driving. See, equal, it's not 90 degree though, it's close to 85 degrees or maybe 80 degrees, right? Precisely I can place my hand when I'm driving in city as well as highway. It's equally comfortable for the pillion passenger as well to place their hands here while they're while they're sitting there. One hand can be placed on this area here and the other one here. So for them, it's going to be a very comfortable position to sit. And also for the driver, you can see that I am sitting here and my hands are placed in this position. So this is how I'm going to feel when I am sitting here. So the gear positioning and the seating comfort, and if you're short enough, you can move your seats even towards the steering, and if you're taller, you can push it back. So mind, if I am 6 feet tall, I would place myself in this position, and you can see my hands reaching out to the steering wheel comfortably, and my hands are placed comfortably here. Now coming to the finish, see, it's a leatherette finish in the first place, a very soft leatherette finish, and this stitching gives us a very sportier and premium look. It almost matches with the stitchings here, but this is slightly of the orangish, but here it is reddish. You can push it back and also front. This is the max it can go. And even if I push it front, right, it's not just the gear lever I can manage with that, but also the handbrake. Sometimes from my experience, what I can say is the handrest is something where you need to get used to. You cannot use the handrest while in this position comfortably. You can push it back and use the handrest, or even if you push it front, you'll have to use it from the sides. That's the only thing. See, it's not difficult, it's just a matter of day or two, you'll get used to. But the armrest is one of the most recommended accessory I would request all the Citroen owners to have, because it's that comfortable and very, very practical and useful accessory to have. Notice the screws, they're of good quality, and let me close this and show you. Right, it's of good quality. Okay, it is sturdy. Only the top part is shaking because of the handrest position, mind you. Don't underestimate it. It's shaking because of the top part, the movable part, but the fit and finish of this is sturdy. It doesn't move. Now I'm stepping into the back seat to show you how the armrest looks like from the back. Okay, so this is how the armrest looks like. There is no rear AC vent, so this part is empty, but there are two compartments here to store few things. The first thing is a very small extra screws given by the factory. I don't know what's the importance, but I just keep it as it is. You can place something very basic like the coins, or maybe small things, ribbons for your child or anything. And there is another compartment here which is of slightly better one. You can store few things here as well. For now, my daughter has brought the ribbon, and this is where it is. So you can place few things, the two storage areas. If you bring it back, only this part moves, so this part is sturdy. And it is bolted right from here. You can see there are two bolts this side and two bolts this side. So it's sturdy enough, it will not move no matter how fast you go off-road. It doesn't matter at all. It's very sturdy. The fit and finish is done at the dealer side because it's part of the standard accessory. Yeah, so notice there are two USB-C ports here, which is part of the factory, not part of this armrest. I'm just showing you this for demonstration. Let me show you what is inside now. The first level of storage, where I can place your cards, coins, cash, or something very basic which can fit in this bracket. And if I open the second compartment, it's deeper, not that deep, but it's manageable. You can remove this. This is a cloth piece where it protects you from scratches, so you can place your wallet or anything you want to. Even a smartphone can be held there. I didn't bring the phone with me, but if I had the phone, I could have shown you. I could have easily kept my phone here. You can store at least 2 to 3 phones here. Your wallet, you can store multiple things in this bracket. You can also remove it, clean it, and place it again. Look at the thin film. It is not it's a transparent one almost. You can see what is there. So it will not carry heavy things, but I think it would definitely I don't know whether it is washable, but it can be cleaned. And this is how it looks like from inside. I am seated at the rear seat right now. This costed me 7,250 rupees. 7,500. They gave me a discount on that. I got it installed through this Akira Citroen dealership at Hosur Road, Bangalore. I felt this is one of the most recommended or practical accessory to have for any Citroen car. My wife loved it because she seats most of the time in the front passenger seat, and she uses the armrest much more. In fact, she was the one who recommended this armrest to me to have it installed, and I also felt it is useful. Once I got used to it, once I got it installed, I use it every day, and it is much more usable. and not just other accessories which you hardly use, but just one of the things which I would recommend. Get it installed from the Citroen dealership. They do it for you. uh, the fit and finish has been done neatly. And uh, I hope I was able to answer all your questions on the front armrest. If you have any further questions on the armrest, do comment and I can help you out with that. Thing which I wanted to highlight is the rear armrest is missing, which is not a deal breaker, but it's a good to have. But there are no accessories for the rear armrest in Citroen. So in case you're going for Basalt or Across, you would have it, but for C3 and C3X, you do not have a rear armrest. It is not part of the accessory also. If you want to, you can get it done from outside aftermarket, but it's not recommended because this fit and finish you would not find it elsewhere because it's factory one. It's very neat, very cushioning, and the fabric seats are much more comfortable.